Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, guys, make sure you don't go without subscribing. Click on the subscribe button, like and share, and follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section because there we'll be putting out one or two things that you would need. You definitely do not want to you definitely do not want to miss out on it. So go to the comment section, find the link to our Telegram channel, and follow us on Telegram. Now, let's see what we'll be expecting this for the next day on GBPUSD, that is for Wednesday. If you take a look at something like this, there is kind of like a change in movement that is currently playing out on GBPUSD. And first of all, you can see that this is clearly a downtrend move, right? Price is dropping, it is giving us a bearish move. But once you take a look at it on this weekly time frame, you can see something like this. There is a drop, right? A minor correction here. It looks like market wants to start dropping again, right? It looks like market wants to start dropping, that this is the correction, right? That is what it's showing. But when you go to the 4-hour time frame, you will see something like this. This resistance level here has been broken. This is the major resistance level. As you can see, once market comes to this resistance level, we can now see it breaks. It rejects and drop. This one, you can call this as the liquidity, right? This is the resistance level here. This is the resistance level. This was previously as one support level. When price came here, we had a pullback before it broke below it. Now, when you take a look at this movement here, guess what market did? Market smashed through it and broke above it. Now market has given us a pullback. So there are two things market is going to do around this level, right? On the higher time frame, it says it is going to fall, but on the lower time frame, we need to be very, very careful because we all know that if market is ranging, right, and market breaks out of a resistance level, we tend to see markets come to test that resistance level, right? This is exactly what GBPUSD has done. It has now come to test this resistance level. Now, will it break below this level or will it start pushing up? This is how we are going to keep our eyes on. We need to watch it closely because this could be like a minor pullback here, thereby GBPUSD will drop and smash through it, break it and start dropping. If it does that, then definitely expect more sell. In short, GBPUSD will fall very, very well. I think that is what market wants to do. Probably wants to push up a little bit, serve as a pullback, then it will drop and smash through it, giving us a new lower lows. But if it does not do that and it start pushing up, then we will be expecting a new higher highs. But my forecast is this is the level, a new lower lows. You all know that this is the resistance level. Market has broken out of this resistance level, so it has come to test this resistance level. There's every possibility to continue the movement to the upside, but since the higher time frame says we'll be expecting more drops, so let's see if this will be a pullback. Then GBP/USD will continue the movement to the downside. So that is what we'll be expecting. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.